Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix any LCP issues on your site on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, what LCP stands for is largest contentful plane on your website, and that is basically an outline of which elements of your site are supposed to load first. So when somebody enters your site, the main things that are immediately shown in the view page of that person's screen is what is supposed to load first. So for example, if I go over into my site and go into my page and start editing it, if I actually add some elements, as you can see, that was a completely empty page. But if I go over here and add some blocks, for example, I add some headings, I add some text blocks, yada yada yada. I could even add images or things like that. So let's go ahead with that. Let's see, images. There we go. You can add these blocks as well. And once you add these blocks, for example, if I had the images right over here, and if I had more, the first images that pop up when somebody loads up your site are supposed to load first. Now, there are several ways to fix this. Firstly, you would need to edit your site's CSS. You need to make sure that your cascading style sheets are working well and that they have the minimum space requirements for that code. So just eliminate any needless spaces or any other needless textual things and simplify your code as much as possible so that you can have the fastest load time possible. Other than that, what you can also do is you can block certain JavaScript scripts which might be interfering with rendering. So render blocking scripts in JavaScript or any other language might be causing your site to load slower, which will impact your retention of your visitors. You can also use the Jetpack boost. However, I do not have the business plan for WordPress, so I cannot access it, but Jetpack Boost will provide you a good enough view into what is going wrong and what you can improve into your site. Now, I do realize this tutorial was very general and not very specific, and I couldn't show you guys how any of that is done because I don't have the access to those things. You can modify your CSS code or any other code in an FTP editor if you have it, or an FTP client. I don't, since again I don't have the paid version of WordPress. However, that is pretty much some guidelines that I wanted to talk about with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.